Hi, this is Cherie with Rehashfiber. Today I'm going to teach you the loop cast on. To do the loop cast on, you want to start with a slip stitch. Take the yarn in your left hand, wrap it around a couple of fingers, make a circle, then bring the yarn to the middle like so. Take your needle, go under the middle strand, and then back over and pull from either side, not too tight. That is your slip stitch. Now, to do the loop cast on is really fun and simple. You start with the needle in your left hand and the working yarn in your right. Start with your finger, pointer finger, pointing towards you. Turn it away from you so that it creates this loop over your pointer finger. Put the needle into the loop, pull your finger out, and pull secure. Not too tight or it will be hard to knit into later. Here we go again. Holding the yarn in your right hand, your pointer finger points towards you. Take it over the yarn and turn it away from you. Put the needle in the loop, finger out, pull. There you go. So when you have to cast on a couple hundred stitches, this is really a great way to do it because it goes quickly. You can get into a nice rhythm. And what I do when there's a lot of stitches like that is I use stitch markers, and every 10 or 20 stitches I place a stitch marker. That way, if I get distracted, lose count or whatever, I can just count by the 10s or 20s and I haven't lost count of the whole lot of it. So you see, this just happens very nicely. And that is how you do the loop cast on. Happy knitting!